Alteration of charge. Alteration of charge means the modification, correction, or addition of a charge already framed by the court during the course of a criminal trial. Since the evidence brought before the court may reveal facts different from those initially assumed, the law empowers the court to alter or add to the charge so that the accused is tried for the actual offense disclosed by the evidence. This power ensures that justice is not defeated due to any defect or omission in the original charge. Legal provision. The legal provisions relating to alteration or addition of charge are contained in Section 240 of BNSS 2023, corresponding to Section 216 of CRPC 1973. Section 240 empowers every court to alter or add to any charge at any time before the pronouncement of judgment. Essential features of alteration of charge. Power to alter or add to charge under Section 241 of BNSS 2023. Any court may alter or add to any charge at any stage before the judgment is pronounced. This power can be exercised whenever the court finds that the original charge does not accurately reflect the offense disclosed by the evidence. Charge must be read and explained. According to Section 242 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, every alteration or addition made in the charge must be read and explained to the accused. This requirement ensures that the accused is fully aware of the nature of the modified accusation and is able to prepare an effective defense. Continuation of trial without prejudice under Section 243 of the BNSS 2023. If the court is of the opinion that proceeding immediately with the trial after alteration of the charge will not prejudice the accused in his defense or the prosecution in the conduct of the case, it may continue the trial as if the altered charge had originally been framed. Adjournment or fresh trial. Under Section 244 of the BNSS 2023, if the alteration is likely to prejudice either the accused or the prosecution, the court may adjourn the trial for a reasonable period or direct a fresh trial. This provision safeguards the principles of natural justice and fair trial. Requirement of previous sanction. According to Section 245 of the BNSS 2023, where the altered or added charge relates to an offense requiring previous sanction for prosecution, the court cannot proceed with the case until such sanction is obtained, unless sanction has already been granted on the same facts. Explanation. The power to alter a charge is necessary because criminal proceedings are based upon facts that may become clearer only after evidence is recorded. The court is therefore not bound by the original charge if the evidence suggests the commission of a different offense. However, while exercising this power, the court must ensure that the accused is not prejudiced and is given a fair opportunity to defend himself against the altered accusation. The object of Section 240 of the BNSS 2023 is to ensure that the trial is conducted with reference to the real offense disclosed by the evidence and that procedural defects do not result in failure of justice. Case law Willie Slaney versus State of Madhya Pradesh 1956 SC 116. The Supreme Court held that an error or omission in framing a charge does not automatically invalidate a trial unless it has caused prejudice to the accused or resulted in a failure of justice. Kantilal Chandulal Mehta versus State of Maharashtra AIR 1970 SC 359. The Supreme Court observed that a charge may be altered at any stage before judgment provided that the accused is given a fair opportunity to defend himself and no prejudice is caused. Importance or significance. The provisions relating to alteration of a charge are important because they enable the court to rectify errors and omissions in the original charge. They ensure that the accused is tried for the correct offense while simultaneously protecting his rights to a fair trial. The power also prevents technical defects from defeating the ends of justice and promotes effective administration of criminal justice. Conclusion. Alteration of charge is an important procedural power vested in the court under Section 240 of the BNSS 2023. It allows the court to modify or add to a charge before the pronouncement of judgment so that the accused is tried for the actual offense disclosed by the evidence. At the same time, the law protects the rights of the accused by requiring that the altered charge be explained to him and by providing safeguards against prejudice.